DigiAgency, WordPress theme, SEO agency. Something huge is coming. Ever thought about starting your own offline consulting biz? Maybe you just didn't want to put the time, effort and/or money get things started? Now anyone can launch a local consulting business within hours. SEO Agency is a complete, done-for-you local consultant business in a box. Learn how you can pull in up to $20,000 a month. I know you're tired of all the tricks and fads of overhyped local big bank earning opportunities, and that's exactly why I'm excited to tell you all about SEO Agency. This new custom premium WordPress theme is unlike any other theme. This one is specifically designed with you and your success in mind. And it provides you with everything you need to start your very own SEO consultant business that can generate 5 figures a month. SEO Agency is your very own premium consultancy website, packed full of high-quality relevant content, along with features and benefits such as Slider, visually showcase your most popular services, including SEO, web design, video creation, social media, graphic design and per-click services, to boost relevance, reduce bounce rate and attract clients. 3 individual feature boxes for highlighting your most popular services and why clients needs them. High quality, converting content Google can quickly index and rank your site for. Content that helps your clients to understand why they need your services now so they hire you today. The ability to add your own videos to generate traffic from Google and YouTube to boost your online presence. Awesome Facebook fan page covers for social media power branding. Live training, how to deliver awesome services that clients will be willing to pay you $1,500 per month for or more. Even if you're brand new. All this and it takes less than 5-minute install. Don't give in to the passive fads and get rich quick local business gimmicks. Instead, click the link in the description and start a real business you can be proud of. DigiAgency, WordPress theme, SEO Agency. Click the link in the description for info and access.